Hello students, welcome back to our channel. Today we will discuss second question of exercise 1.1 of rational numbers from class 8 CBSE textbook. Our second question is write the additive inverse of each of the following. Here we are given few rational numbers and we have to write additive inverse of each of them. For any rational number a by b, we have minus a by b such that a by b plus minus a by b is equal to 0. This question is very simple and the rational number is 2 by 8 and the additive inverse of 2 by 8 is minus 2 by 8. We have to simply change the sign of the given number. Here 2 by 8, the sign of 2 by 8 is plus. So the symbol of 2 by 8 is plus and additive inverse of 2 by 8 is minus 2 by 8. Second bit is minus 5 by 9. Additive inverse of minus 5 by 9 is 5 by 9. Here in the given question it is minus. So in our answer it is plus. So it is plus 5 by 9 or simply 5 by 9. Third question is minus 6 divided by minus 5. So if there is negative sign in both numerator and denominator, we can cancel out them. So the minus 6 divided by minus 5 is same as 6 by 5. Okay. So additive inverse of 6 by 5 is minus 6 by 5. Next bit is 2 by minus 9. So here negative sign is there in denominator. If a fraction is minus 2 by 9 or minus 2 divided by 9 or 2 by minus 9. All are same. Their value is minus 2 by 9. So the value of 2 by minus 9 is nothing but minus 2 by 9. And additive inverse of minus 2 by 9 is 2 by 9. Next bit is 19 by minus 6. Here negative sign is given in denominator. Again 19 by minus 6 is very same as minus 19 divided by 6. And the additive inverse of minus 19 by 6 is 19 by 6. The third question of exercise 1.1 is verify that minus of minus x is equal to x for x is equal to 11 by 15. So as we discussed, additive inverse of any number x is minus x such that x plus minus x is equal to 0. Okay. So here our x is 11 by 5. So using additive inverse property, 11 by 15 plus minus 11 by 15 is equal to 0. Now what we can do? We can transpose this minus 11 by 5 to RHS of this equation. 11 by 15 is equal to minus of, if here it is plus sign, so if it is if this term moves to other part of the equation, we know it will become minus. So 11 by 15 is equal to minus of minus 11 by 15. So our x is 11 by 15. So this is x is equal to minus of, again x is 11 by 15. So x is equal to minus 6 verified. Okay, let's move on to third question, second bit. Verify that minus of minus x is equal to x for x is equal to minus 13 by 17. Here also we will use additive inverse property for any x, x plus minus x is equal to 0. Here our x is minus 13 by 17 and minus x is 13 by 17. Let's replace x with minus 13 by 17 plus what is our minus x, minus of minus plus x. So 13 by 17 is equal to 0. Okay. Let's transpose this 13 by 17 to write RHS. Okay. So minus 13 by 17 is equal to minus of 13 by 17. So what is minus 13 by 17? Minus 13 by 17 is our x. And here we are writing that negative sign as it is. And what is 13 by 17? If x is minus 13 by 17, minus x is equal to 13 by 17. If x is equal to minus 13 by 17, minus x is 13 by 17. Just change of sign. So what is our 13 by 17? That is nothing but minus x. Again, x is equal to minus of minus x, verified. Let's move on to our next question. Find the multiplicative inverse of the following. Here we are given few rational numbers and we have to find multiplicative inverse of these numbers. So what is multiplicative inverse? If we multiply any number a with some other number b such that the product of these two numbers is 1, then b is called multiplicative inverse of a and a is called multiplicative inverse of b. If we multiply a with 1 by a, the reciprocal of this number, then we will get 1. So here the first number is minus 13. So what is multiplicative inverse of minus 13? It is nothing but 1 by 13 minus 1 by 13. Here there is no need to change the sign of the given number. See, minus 13 into minus 1 by 13. So 13 gets cancelled one time. Minus of minus is plus and we get 1. So minus 13 is multiplicative inverse of 13. Next bit is minus 13 by 19. So here we just have to reverse the fraction, like numerator. In numerator we have to write the denominator, and denominator we have to write the value of numerator. That's it. No need to change the value, no need to change the sign. So sign as it is, minus 19 divided by 13 is the multiplicative inverse of minus 13 by 19. Next, 1 by 5. A multiplicative inverse of 1 by 5 is nothing but 5. Now, next bit is minus 5 by 8 into minus 3 by 7. Here we have to first simplify the given expression. Here 5 into 3, 15. 15 is the numerator and 8 into 7, 56 is the denominator. Minus into minus is plus. So the sign of the fraction is plus. So the multiplicative inverse is reciprocal of this fraction, that is 56 by 15. Our next bit is minus 1 into minus 2 by 5. So first we have to simplify this. Minus of minus is plus, plus 2 into 1, 2. Here we have to take denominator as 1, and in multiplication we have to multiply the numerators and we have to write it as numerator, and we have to multiply the denominators and we have to write it as denominator. So here 2 into 1 is 2. 2 is the numerator and denominator is 5 into 1 is 5. So the value of the given expression is 2 by 5 plus, sign is plus. So our multiplicative inverse of 2 by 5 is 5 divided by 2. It is plus sign. No need to change the sign. Next, multiplicative inverse of minus 1. That is our next bit. Next bit in fourth question. Here, multiplicative inverse of minus 1 we have to find out. So it is minus 1 and the sign is, we have to write the sign as it is, minus. So multiplicative inverse of 1 is 1 itself. That's it. See, if we multiply minus 1 into minus 1, we will get 1. If we multiply 1 with 1, that is 1. So multiplicative inverse of minus 1 is the number itself. Let's move on to our next question. That is fifth question of exercise 1.1. Name the property under multiplication used in each of the following. Here we are given with some expressions and we have to find out which property is used in that. So let's see the very first bit of fifth question. Minus 4 by 5 into 1 is equal to 1 into minus 4 by 5 is equal to minus 4 by 5. Here minus 4 by 5 is multiplied with 1. Minus 4 by 5 into 1 or 1 into minus 4 by 5. Both are same. And the answer is minus 4 by 5. 1 is the multiplicative identity. If we multiply any rational number a by b into 1, we will get the same number, same rational number a by b. So here 1 is the multiplicative identity. So the property used here is multiplicative identity. Okay, next let's see second bit. Minus 13 by 17 into minus 2 by 5 is equal to minus 2 by 7 into minus 13 by 7. So we know this, if we multiply a into b or b into a, like order doesn't matter, a into b is same as b into a. So this property is commutative property. Okay, let's move on to third bit. Minus 19 by 29 into 29 by minus 19 is equal to 1. Here minus 19 by 29 is multiplied by its reciprocal 29 by minus 19, and the product of this rational number and this rational number is 1. So this is multiplicative inverse.